What's up everybody, we're back with another video. Today we will be playing some Counter-Strike, and today we will only be using and the knife, so we will try to win this game. Yeah, comment down below if I should keep making Counter-Strike videos, or I should also play other games like stuff like Asphalt, I think it's the name. I have to go melee. Alright. Let's get this. Alright. I'm very sure that I will not get far with the melee. Oh. Okay, not my kill. Oh god. Okay, I think we have to at the first round. Okay, last guy. I think he's somewhere here. Yeah, it's really hard to play with knife. Okay. Let's try to kill him like this time. So there's nobody here. Okay, I got 1 kill only. Bruh, did he just despawn? Alright, the bomb hasn't been planted, but where's this guy? Oh, he's over there. No, I can't get the kill. Let's see. Oh, just past him? Oh no, he's up there. Alright. Alright. Okay. It's alright, I'm not gonna spend anything anyways. I only have the knife. Okay, let's put the volume up. Okay, I think they're here. So I have never played melee before. I think I played it once in a deathmatch, but never since, because I was really bad at it. Oh god, okay, they're over there. Where? Oh, they're right there. I can't play with melee. I mean, what shall I play next? Oh, they're all glitched. Okay, let's try to play Deathmatch, you know. Deathmatch, yeah, those two. We're gonna play Deathmatch, but we're gonna play only with the P25, I think that's what it's called. Can't buy anything, right? Glock 18. 1, 2. Okay, P25, 0. Dead. Dead. Always gotta make sure your guns reload. Your gun has a full magazine. Okay, shot. Bro, AK-47. I still got the P90. Alright. I got the Tech 9. Oh my god. Alright, we're only playing with pistols in here. Of course, Galil AR, bro. No, I got the Glock 18. Okay, I was lucky over there. Oh, dual Berettas? Dead? Oh. Okay. I'm getting shot by two sides, bro. Okay, hello. I guess he's occupied, alright. Oh, I'm gonna change to a Glock 18. Let's see if we can get 18. Like at least 12 points for this. Brother. Dead. I wish I could use, oh, wait, I got a sniper. Let's try to get a kill with this. Oh! You're so lucky, brother. Okay, got a kill with that. Now we're not allowed to use it. Oh, my favorite pistol of all. Of course, gotta aim. Gotta aim. Oh, dual Berettas. This thing right here. Oh, let's try to use the knife on this guy. Bro just got a massive skill issue. Oh, bro's so lucky. I miss every shot, bro. Oh my god. Alright. It's alright. Bro, I shot. How is he not dying yet? Oh my god, bro. Right, I got a gun with, alright, we're just changing. Yo, what the heck is this gun? I said only pistols. So lucky. Okay, I got one more shot. What? Alright. Get their attention. Melee kill. Dead. Reload. Oh my god. Blood, I'm right behind you, blood. Oh my god, I'm so lucky there. Yo. Testing new guns is actually kind of fun. Die. Die. Alright, let's reload. Okay, I'm getting shot. Okay, wow, great job. Alright, dual Berettas. Oh no. Dang. Where did my crosshair go? No, I'm playing without crosshair. Oh no, it's here. Payback. Payback. On God, bro. On God. Let me breathe. Desert Eagle. Okay, let's go. The Deagle. If the Deagle's on my side, you already know you're dead. Bro's running away from me. On God. That scared me, bro. Jump scare of the year. Bro, I was so lucky there though. Alright. Alright. I already got 635 points. Dead. Oh my god, I thought someone was there. Why spam when you can just literally aim at their head? Trying to jump shot PP guys. Oh! What the heck? What the heck's happening to my internet? Alright, now it's really, bro. Alright. Oh my god. Tech 9 is also a good gun though. I'd recommend it. Brother, I'm right here, brother. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.